Welcome everybody. Tonight's session is about building resumes and cover letters. Sanchari Das and Ritika Jha will be hosting this session for you. A brief about Sanchari: she's an alum of IIM Shillong, super senior of our batch, PGP 17, and she has been working across different firms, starting from Josh Talks to H&M, and finally with Buffalo Soldiers she was working off lately. A social media and creative strategist. Thank you for joining us today, Sanchari. We are glad to have you to have some insightful tips. And Ritika Jha is a co-founder of In Conversation and my partner, so you might have already met her in our previous sessions. I'm glad to have Ritika doing this session for us today.
Yeah, thank you for that intro. It was really nice. So basically, I'll tell you why I am, because everything starts with establishing credibility. That's what I'll tell you about CV also. Why I think I am, capable of giving this seminar is because I've applied to a lot of jobs. Over the past 1 year, I've quit jobs and found new ones and just switched. And this entire journey was done with 2 documents. One is your cover letter and one is your resumes. So across the last year, I have made approximately 10 CVs just for myself. Cover letter is every company I write a different cover letter to. And I have had moderate success, that is why I want to share this entire success with you, how to write the perfect one. Also, since I was in 10th class, I was writing IELTS, was writing all those IELTS cover letters for my friends. So that way it's been my entire life has been gone looking and judging at CVs and resumes. And I have picked up a couple of tips along the part. I've attended a lot of sessions like this one. And I'm just going to give you a summary of what I've basically learned throughout it. I think I'll only share my screen because it will be easier for me to go through places. So let me only attend it. Share it. So we'll begin with something. So I have recently started exercising and working out a lot. So this will be in the exact that format. We'll start with a warm up, then we'll gradually go with an intensive workout, and then we'll finally cool down. So that's the way we're going to start with. So this is a very interesting CV that I found. I've collected a couple of CVs because I want you to think beyond your normal sheet. I want you to think beyond that MS Word CV that you made. So this was a person, he made it on Google Map. Very interesting. If somebody were to just go to this location, you would find a CV. Very innovative way. This CV is of a very famous person. Can anybody tell me whose CV am I showing right now? Very simple though, if you read the work experience. Anybody?
Steve Jobs.
Yes, very nice answer. It is in fact Steve Jobs' CV. So you see what he made. This was long before, it will be around 5 years, 6, 7 years back. Look at the CV that he made. Simple, does not have a lot of frills, simple. This, can anybody tell me whose CV is this?
Elon Musk.
Yes, so this is Musk's. I want to also show you something. So the skills and competencies part that you see here, you will see that आजकल बहुत लोग are putting this across their CVs. Personally, please do not, because this has been turned out as an outdated system. Because you see, I can't understand thinking through first principles. How much is the scale of 4? Likert does not work because मुझे नहीं पता कि leadership तुम अपने आप को किस basis पे 4 out of दे रहे हो. So for Elon Musk, we know, but for supposedly I were applying in a company and I wrote these will make no sense. Instead of that, just focus on writing the skills. This again, brilliant packaging. If you see, it's not Hershey's, it's Hershey's. Somebody has invested in a different type of advertisement. So CV is basically you selling yourself. So you need to understand, you need to think of ways to sell it. Somebody did a wonderful collection like this. Give up food. Everybody will hire you. This is of Forrest Gump. If you have seen the movie, you will understand that, this is why it has been made for him. From Breaking Bad again, Jesse Pinkman has been, obviously he'll be looking for new jobs now. This is the reference that he made. This again is an example of creative CVs that are happening. Please don't get worried by this point कि यहाँ पे सब हम creative discuss करेंगे and I expect कि तुम by the end of 2-3 days you make this. This is just for a reference, just to inspire. And this is my resume. So again, now people, the first question that will come to your mind is, do we have to create something like this? Absolutely no. I belong to the marketing world. I apply to marketing jobs. I apply to startups, which is why I need to show that I understand design. I need to constantly show that I can be creative, which is why I have a creative resume. But if you're a finance student, if you're looking for an operations job, if you're looking for a serious corporate jobs, you do not need a designer CV like this. It can be very basic, and I'll tell you how to make the basic ones also. So I just want to have a quick glance at the sections that I have. Work experience is very important for experienced people. If you were to be an intern right now, or if you just entered your college, this section will be more about your about the courses that you've done, about your skill sets, about your internships. This section is the play section, which I call, this is more about what are the things I've done. So what you are seeing is one version of it. Here, if you see, it's written brand development. I have similar 2-3 CVs, which also talk about my HR education, which talks about my digital marketer. So I have different covered for different one. Here, if you see, the biggest keyword is brand, because that's what I wanted to sell. If you are wanting to sell your accounts background, if you want to collect your operations background, entirely different CV. Correct? So warm-up has been completed. You have seen some stellar resumes, and now I would suggest you get onto your toes and we'll start working on yours. So let's start between the difference of a CV and resume. Yawn. Exactly. My sentiments exactly. This is a very boring topic. I will not be going to it. All the things that are Googleable, none of it will be covered in this course. You go and see what is the difference between CV and resume and do it in yourself. What we will be doing today is to keep Thanos entertained. We don't want him to go snapping his fingers. So we have this a fun session. And the only way it can be fun is if you guys interact with us. So we have written a couple of frequently asked questions that we think that were our questions basically when we were looking for. I want to know what are your questions, and that's how we will get forward. So your questions, guys. What do you plan to achieve through this? Come on, what do you want to guys? Because this is a more of a Q&A session. Any questions, any specific doubts you guys want to have?
So guys, you can keep posting your questions in chat section, or you can unmute yourself and speak it up. The idea behind this particular fact section is that we have prepared a list of questions and we have some insights to give to you, and we can add on your questions and kind of give a holistic picture. So feel free to unmute and talk. Otherwise, put your question or your thoughts in chat section.
I'll just share the questions with you again, because I'm very sure these are the questions that everyone has. मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं CV में लिखने के लिए, मैं क्या लिखूं? मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है लाइफ में, मैं क्या करूं? I'm a fresher.
I'm a fresher. How to make my resume impressive is the first question Sanchari we've received. What is the font style and size recommended for writing resume and CV?
Great questions. Anything else?
Fresher, did my internship in a startup. How to make it attractive now?
Very
all right, even I have a question. So at times, engineers, the ones at least who are freshers or maybe who have had a relevant work experience before MBA, they have this question that, whenever we write about our industry interface or whenever we write about our work experience, it's very technical. So how can we at least give it a different look, or maybe how can we make the recruiter understand what we have done and what are the managerial implications of that? So I've given away a little bit of the answer in the question itself, but how exactly should we repackage it? So
yeah,
that is one of the other questions.
That's the first frequently asked question. I think so many engineers go back and do MBA. It's like one of the very, very most.
Okay, so the first question, And I'm going to answer from a recruiter point of view. I've been a recruiter for a couple of years. Please do not underestimate the recruiter. He will understand what technical expertise is. So, even if somebody is from HR background, he is told beforehand कि ये words है जो ढूंढो. This is the kind of person we are looking for. So believe me, even if you're writing a very technical expertise like I know C++, I have implemented a project in hydraulic dynamics in XYZ, the recruiter will get it. Please do not go with this thing कि HR का बंदा है उसको समझ ही नहीं आएगा मेरा क्या है. वो भी he has a list of keywords with him which he does. और आजकल तो this entire thing has been removed only because most of your recruitment is done through LinkedIn. So the HR recruiter himself puts a list of 20 keywords he's looking for, and he will be given the result that he will be given will be according to those only. So please do not worry about being very technical. Being technical is actually expected. After a couple of for freshers and for interns, it's fine to talk about skills. It's fine to talk about I'm a learnable candidate, I'm a this. But for a person who has already work experience, it has to be technical. You cannot, and in fact, technical is respected. If you write something like, I did sales for my last company, makes no sense. I conducted a sales reform in my company which improved the sales by 32%. Or I hired 15 people, which was an increase in 23%. These are very attractive. When you put numbers to it, when you put technical words, they actually make more sense. So that now going forward, please, I genuinely know a lot of people have this, that the recruiter will not understand, which is understandable. Even I've said that the recruiter does understand. And in most cases nowadays, the recruiter is LinkedIn. And there's nobody smarter than LinkedIn currently. Okay? Apurva, do you want me to just go through the questions once? How do we describe project and resume I've done in online courses regarding...
I think we can take up these facts question and then we can take the separate questions that we have received in chat if they are different from the ones that are mentioned here.
Correct. And there's a very smart question, aren't power verbs common for most of the people? I will deal with that also without appearing. How can I include a current on screen? Okay. So पहला तो चीज है ना, get this out of your brain कि CVs में we have to be very specific. We have to write exactly what it is. COVID has hit. Everybody knows that everybody is looking for all kinds of job. So if you are a marketing person, but you are looking for a job in operations, you do not have to remove all the marketing potential in your profile. You have to make sure that your profile is 70% at least your field that you are applying. So for example, and now this is again very specific to where you are applying. ये question लोग भूल जाते हैं that your CV is not dependent on who you are. Your CV is determined on what company you are applying to. So if you are applying for a marketing, you are from an operations background, but you are looking for a marketing job in a startup. Please add operations because startup people are looking for dynamic people who have action in everything. Those cases may fill your resume with every kind of other extracurricular you've done. But if you're looking for, say, example, an operations job in Tata and you are from a marketing, please take off all the marketing things in it. Just add the projects in it. Do not show that you have been working on skills. You have done 3 certifications in the last month about marketing, but you are applying to operations. So 70-30 is the rule. 70 should be relevant to your company. 30% should be just things you've done. In case you're applying to a startup, you can do a 50-50 rule. Startups do not mind. Correct? So now we'll go to the more high intensive workout phase where now you will start working on it, how to build it. For most of the people, by the basis I've seen in the doubts, सबने किसी ने एक ना एक CV बनाई हुई है. This is also a little for people who do not have a lot of CV experience. उनके लिए this is going to be very useful too. Acha, I've got a very interesting doubt. Somebody with a 15-year experience finds it difficult to restrict the CV to 2 pages. Absolutely fine. So I know the current trend that the industry talks about is कि एक पेज में आपका सब fit हो जाना चाहिए. That is basically because recruiters do not have a lot of time to go through एक sheets. But if you are supposedly having a 15-year experience, or you have, if you have even 5 years of experience, your CV tends to go long. There are two ways you can do this now. Wait a second, I'll just tell you. Okay. So there are two ways in which you can tackle when you have a long CV. I will show you through a long CV later. One is you take off things of it and you write a cover letter out of it. So for example, if you see my CV, I've written only four lines about my company. The other things I've written it in a cover letter. So whenever I send to a company, I send the cover letter plus resume, which is why cover letter is so important. Resume is a very brief, short. You cannot write that you have learned, what all have you learned in your experience in a company. You have to write very gist on what have you done for the company. All that part cover letter mein divide karo. That is one part of it. Second, now for somebody with a lot of experience, obviously you will not be using, you will just not be randomly applying to companies. You will be sending proper mails, you will be using referrals. You are not just going to be like, LinkedIn ka interested, sir, I'm interested, please check my CV, sir, please check my commenting for better reach. That is not going to work for you. So in that case, you can afford to have a big one. For people who are just starting their career, one page. Because experience there is no substitute for experience. If you have experience, you do 3 pages, you do 4 pages, people will read. But strictly for all the first comers, 1 page. And try to stick to, and believe me, if Elon Musk, I showed you, that is why I showed you Elon Musk and Steve Jobs series. If they can fit it into 1 page, why can't you? So that you carry, and I'll just go back to the sheet again. Okay. Day 1. So we will be doing this across 4 days, and believe me, through 4 days you will finish off everything. Day 1, and there are no shortcuts to this. Everybody thinks ki CV ban jayegi, ye ban jayegi. There are no shortcuts. You have to think of your mission, vision, and goals. It sounds very preachy ki yaar ye to kab se sun rahe, iski kya zarurat. But unless you know what kind of job you are looking for, you will not be able to make a CV. General CV bol ke kuch nahi hota. You need to sit down for the whole day and think. I have seen when people make CV, the first thing they ask is, yaar tu mujhe 2 line bata na teri CV mein kya likha hai. Yaar tu bata de kya likhna hai. Jitna time you invest in copying from others, believe me, you can make one in a shorter time. And CV is a representation of your spend time on it. So day 1, I spend always on deciding what is my mission. So your mission might be to, find a new job, find a new internship. You need to define it. So what I want you all to do on your chat is to write what your mission is. Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for a better job? Are you looking for a new job? You're looking for an internship, or you just want to see what is it out? You need to define your mission. Vision is what exact company do you see yourself in? If you don't have a dream company, how will you chase it? So think very specifically that I want to. So a couple of years back when I started my career, I had made a very definite thing. I want to be a social media manager in an agency in Delhi. That's how specific and granular I was. So I made a CV accordingly. I started following and do it. So have a dream company. If you don't have a dream company, how will you know what to follow? If Google is your dream company, write it. Google is I want to get a job as a product engineer in Google. So all of you drop your vision and mission in your comments. It will be very helpful for you also. I start with something called the vision board. Please don't get carried away with this. This was just me showing off because I wanted to show you that this is the amount of hard work I did. Don't get carried off by this. But this is what you need to do. Don't have to do it graphically. Write your SWOT. SWOT, as you know, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. And कई लोग कहते हैं कि यार strength और opportunity तो एक होती है, weakness and threat तो एक होती है. But no, give some time to this. Give some time and write it, because unless you get to know your strength, nobody else can. These are simple. So like somebody's asked in the doubts also, power verbs are same for everybody. But there are hundreds and millions of power verbs available in the country. You Google once and you will find so much. This is my favorite tool. So this is a tool that if you know, can anybody tell me what is MBTI? Any one of you? MBA people should be able to tell me this. What is MBTI? Anybody? Okay.
Mayor's
So
test होता है ना?
So it is MBTI is basically your Myers-Briggs test. So you need to go to something called the 16 personalities test. Correct? So MBTI is basically a assessment test. It's a test that helps you understand what you are. But why I'm giving you the test is also a very important reason why this site particularly. So when you will give this test, you will be given a category basically, what category of person you are. Me, for example, I am a campaigner. Correct. So I went to this, and this is where I started getting all the words in. Extraverted, intuitive, feeling. Then if you completely read this entire paragraph, you will find amazing words that you can fix up and things. So the question just itne logon ne mujhe pucha hai what to write in my introduction, what to write in my cover letter, what are the words, what are the qualities. This site. You just need to pick up your personality and you will find a lot of words that you can just pick. Energetic, future-minded, trailblazer, like this word. This lends campaigners a solid foothold in any human service. You could change it in your cover letter. Due to my experience in agencies, I have a solid foothold in any domain of the company. Correct. Then there are words like constant development, shifting, presenting new angles, new approaches. This is a site with a very nice words, and you just don't have to stick to your personality type. You can follow in else. And why MBTI is also very important is it's catching on. The word is very MBTI आजकल कहीं चल रहा है. तुम Tinder bios से देख के Instagram पे bios पे देखोगे people have written above them ENFP, INFP. So they are just not 4 random letters. They define what kind of a person you are. So give this test, introspect karo, you will find a lot to talk about. Everybody, all the people ask me, I have no achievements, what to put? Put things like these. These are my skill sets, that I'm flexible, I'm ready to explore. This is where it comes. So thank me later, explore this site to the full. Maybe, can you put this link there also?
I will.
Ritika or Apurva,
Yeah, I'll do
the
it.
link. Okay. Acha, before that, let me show you a little bit about my LinkedIn. Let me show you my profile also. So let me show you what a cover letter and a CV is. So again, LinkedIn is going to be your best friend. Everything that I do, I put it on LinkedIn ताकि किसी को भी I can just hand the link. So this is my resume on LinkedIn, of course. Now I've also put on featured is my cover letter. I call it a cover letter, sometimes a portfolio also I do. So let me show it to you. So this is an executive summary. You have seen this in my CV also before. I've just cut it and pasted it here. Correct? Now, you don't have to necessarily make such an attractive one. It's because my industry demands me to be productive. My industry demands me to write and do. So yes, so for people who say I have no experience, what should I do? Can you read the kind of things I have written? I have written all the courses or all the case study competitions that I have participated in my during my college. I did not also have very relevant work experience with marketing. So I decided to take up case studies and solve them and do them. I wrote a line here called excellent in PowerPoint. It would have looked extremely random had I not put a screenshot of the presentation that I've put. So it establishes credibility. And agar aap mera bhi dekhoge, mere bhi are not very big hi-fi achievements that I've done. They are either interning for a volunteering for an NGO, volunteering for a CSR. But I have put in effort. So मैंने ये दिखाया है कि चलो मुझे marketing का core, I don't have marketing experience, but I know it. How do I know it? Because I've made a cover letter. Okay. So here again, I've tried to talk about all the things that I want to do. I've tried to explain them, how I can fit into it. I've also had ENFP here. If you see 16 personalities ka yahan pe. Because believe me, recruiters are smart. They are taught this in their MBA college. So they know that if somebody is looking for MBTI, उसको पता है चीजें. Again, here again, I've put a mission, vision, and values. So your mission, vision ultimately becomes your statement that you write in front of your CVs. To be a part of organization that lets me show all these things is why you need to put them. And once I have these written, तो अब क्या अब किसी का भी मेल आता है कोई कंपनी मुझे like कल in fact I told Apurva this. Some company said, hi, I'm really interested in your profile. Please send me a cover letter. So all I needed to do was copy paste things from this. So HR ka again now all because at that time I was looking for HR jobs also. I put a little bit about my HR part also. Things that acha. So this is an answer to what people say. I have not done this. How do I show this? Show that you are interested in it. I have before this I hadn't done any learning and skill development ka particular job, but I wrote ki this is what I'm interested in. Creative writing I am interested in. Show your interest. Show your intent. Okay, then again, this is very specific to my field of job. This you can change or not you change. I try to attach a more personal page in the end that talks about my causes because people nowadays are all about cultural fit. So this is how I put in. And I will tell you one very interesting thing also. This I had made when I was applying for Tata. So that is why if you see it is done all in blue because blue is a color that Tata people recognize. So that is why, and this is very heavily on CSR, etc. because I knew this was going to them. Current job role, of course, you need to mention in your cover letters about your current job role. Go as much in depth as you can. And this is finally because I wanted to show I know sketching. It's done. So you don't have to have such a big definite cover letter. You don't have to, do it with such finesse, but you need to have one at the end of the day. कुछ दिखाने के लिए तो होना है तुम्हारे पास.
So that's actually very great. Sanchari, then shall we get back to the FAQs and probably answer more specific questions for the resume part? Or
एक second, it's the resume part, not much is left, then we can jump on to direct FAQs only. Then we'll take only questions.
Hi Sanchari, just a small query.
Yeah.
When you said a similar case, a recruiter asks you to send a cover letter saying they already have your resume through some referral and this just ask us to share cover letter to show to their management. So how that this cover letter should be a separate Word document or it can be a mail body only? Point one, and how long can it be?
We'll go to that next. The
take
next
that question,
content only. But before that, there's a particular thing I want to talk about. I'll just answer your doubt in 1 minute exactly. So there are 3 magic tools to make your CV: LinkedIn, Canva, and the third is Google. And I'm saying Google is because if you have Google, you can literally search anything. I have received a doubt. Can you provide a source for where we can find resume template? Yes, that is exactly what we are going to do. So I'll show you both the ways. I'll show you how to make a CV on LinkedIn and how to make it on Canva. We'll start with LinkedIn because LinkedIn is the smartest tool there. Recruiters are using it, you are using it, it understands both. All day long LinkedIn सिर्फ data collect करता है. तो उसको सबका पता है कि किसको क्या चाहिए. You go to this section, there will be a section, there's a section called Save to PDF. Once you save to PDF, this entire thing becomes a resume. So I'll show you. I'm sure a lot of people know this, but I'm just showing this for the ones who don't. And you get a ready-made CV made. This is accepted in most cases. But the only issue here is it becomes a 4-pager. So if you are applying, so for example, if you have to apply for portals, अगर किसी का portal खुलता है, PNG has a separate portal, apply here. That is if PNG asks for Tata asks for Google has a portal. In portals, it's always accepted to put a 1-pager because that is the maximum length sometimes their tools can process. But if you are sending, for example, just the doubt that came, somebody is asking कि आप मुझे अपना cover letter भेज दो, किसी resume भेज दो, on mail, this will work. And this is बहुत highly recommended because nobody finishes it as much as LinkedIn. You have a section here where you mention this section is basically जो आपके CVs में आता है वो vision, mission या career objective. So your career objective comes here. This is exactly in a one-liner, in a two-liner, you need to fill your career objective. About is a more detailed part of this. Fill this in. Featured you can leave for now. Activity you can leave for now. Experience again, like why this went to 4-page is because there was so much in experience. So for freshers who have done nothing, I'm assuming you have not attended any company, you've not done anything. You write about your achievements in your college here. If you have attended any seminar, if you've been part of any club, if you have volunteered for anything, that's where you write there. So if you can see for colleges also, I've written a small description. Okay? Fill it this as intensely as you can. Now you will notice that for this area, I have not filled in. Why? Because I don't want to feature in software engineer searches. I don't want to no longer be recognized as a software engineer or as a salesperson. That is why I've kept these very minimal. What the ones that I want to be recognized in, I've written it in depth. Correct? Then skills and endorsements. Again, this is a part where your friends come in. You ask them to endorse for your skills. These two will come in your resume directly. So आप जो resume में 10 skills लिखने का आपको plan करना पड़ता है and all that, you don't have to do that. It just comes directly to it. So this is a biggest hack that not many people have discovered so far. LinkedIn generates your own CV. So you use that CV if you are not able to work on MS Word, if you are not able to use this. Also, you can build a resume also here. So if for example, there's a resume saved here, so you can have at least 6 copies of resume till here. You can have one for job title, HR manager, for example, human resource manager. For this, you can have a different skill. Okay, you can start it and then it will build you a different. Here, if you see, it will directly come out that these are the words that should be there. अब ये keywords क्या है? It's very important. So what happens when you put your resume? You have given your resume, you've clicked on easy apply. The recruiter HR, I'm sorry, मेरा recruiter दिख नहीं रहा है. If I would have shown you, your LinkedIn recruiter gives you a list. For example, 1200 people have applied for a job. It will give me the top 50 people who have the maximum keywords that I assigned. So typically HR people, if I was looking for an HR person, I would have added these keywords. And this is what LinkedIn is telling you. In order to have a full match, add these words. If you have a premium, it shows even more words. That's good for you. So ऐसे करके for different job title you can get in your ears. So for example, I want to be a salesperson, sales manager. Sales manager will give you that these are the ones that should be there. These are the ones that are not there. So that is, here are the words where you get them. And you see they're technical words, not very soft skills are putting out. So LinkedIn is a very good place to put in your CVs. You can have 100, I don't know 100, वैसे 5 तक you can have 5 copies of resumes here. So the next time you are easily applying to a job, there I'll just show you. Let's pick up any job. I'm just going to randomly apply to any job. Add operations specialist. Does it have an easy apply button? No, it doesn't have. Just. So for everybody who's seeing this, yes, LinkedIn आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. There is no shortcut to LinkedIn. Looking for jobs elsewhere, the only way is of course your. So you click on easy apply. This will come. The next thing that will come is resume. So you see, I have so many different variations of resumes here. Whichever job I see, I check their JD. So I see their JD. I see, they are looking for direct social media and digital leadership. Okay. So my third version works for you. Here also skills. So this again is a very important why you need to fill your LinkedIn profile. All your skills come in. What are matching? And then gradually I go back and then I change my CV. Oh, this is not in my CV. I should include it. Correct. First method done. Second method is even simpler if you would like to see. So there was a question, can you provide a source from where we get it? Yes, Praveen, there's a question. Can we ask for recommendations? Yes, I to beg for recommendations. All my interns, I ask for recommendations. At the end of this session, I might ask you people, if you like my class, please give a recommendation. Yes, ask for recommendations for your peers, from everybody, fill it in. Because LinkedIn में ultimately top के दो दिखते हैं, and you can arrange them also. Only numbers दिखते हैं कि इतने number क्या आ रहे हैं. In fact, Ritika, I want a recommendation from you after this session. Same from you, Apurva.
Definitely, we do.
Definitely.
So Canva mein you just see, I only typed resume. There is a resume for everyone here. Don't use this format. This format has been used by every person on earth. When I used to recruit, I saw 100 resumes with this format. Others you can play around with. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a very chic one. It's a very small and non-detailed one. This one you can do. For more creative oriented people who want to go one step beyond, designers, freelancers, etc., they can go for something like this. So lots of them, and let me tell you also, it's not a very, it's a Canva has been designed for the most basic people, जिन्होंने life में कुछ नहीं चलाया. In fact, my dad has started learning Canva right now because literally drag and drop, nothing you have to do. You just have to click on a section and edit it. अब edit भी करना नहीं पड़ेगा. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? I can simply copy paste from my LinkedIn profile. I don't have to even do all this. I can just copy from my experience because I was smart and I wrote it on LinkedIn before. I just have to paste it here. Done. Simply half an hour you can have your whole CV ready. So this is how the Canva ka link also you can put Apurva in it. Similarly, there are even categories given here. Simple resume, the most simplest of resumes you can get. And Mera resume, the one that you seen, yes, I got it on Canva, but I have edited in a PPT. So I made it into a presentation because PPT is my favorite form of communication. If MS Word is, you can reproduce this exact in MS Word. It will take you no issue. Margins ka issue aata, you can do this. This is a very pretty one. Don't do this for skills. Outdated system just looks pretty, but very efficient way of putting it. Experience, education, hobbies. This is as simple as it is. And लोगों को CV में इतना ही चाहिए. वो जो हम भर के दे रहे हैं, it's become an India thing. It's just in India. Cover letters का concept has been said कि अब नया आया है. But believe me, cover letters तो US में and for Europe में कब से चल रहा है. Foreign में nobody even considers you without a cover letter. Because CV is your talent and your skill set. But cover letter defines something very much more important that आजकल लोग ढूंढने लग गए इंडिया में, cultural fit. How much fit, organizational fit are you? So cover letter में please do not write about how I have done 10 years of job, I have done it. Talk about your passion. Talk about it. And cover letters are an excellent time and method for starters and freshers to start. So my company also, I hired a couple of interns. We only hired them on the basis of their cover letters. And such beautiful cover letters we received. Cover letters may talk about your passion. Ki, hi, I am an IT engineer, but I came across your posting for marketing. And I really feel like I want to do marketing because even as a child, I was interested in brands. I was interested in marketing. And I have and during my lockdown, I have done 3 courses on marketing. I've done these courses and I feel like I can do it. So talk about those skills, talk about your passion for something like this. So for people who might have applied for GRE or IELTS, everybody tells you that talks about your vision, talk about your person, talk about your CSR. Because CV में लोग जज करते हैं कि तुमने कितना काम किया है. कवर लेटर में लोग जज करते हैं कि तुम इंसान कैसे हो. तो make your cover letters a little more, and I'll show you cover letter का since length की बात हुई थी. Let me take you to that part only. Ritika, do you want to cover this?
No, Sanchari, you're doing it really well, and I won't be able to match your energy. So I think you should take it up. Also, I would just like to point this, in fact, ask this, Sanchari, to what extent should we go ahead and write about our values in our cover letter? So as you said, कि आपको पता चलता है कि what kind of a person I am, or maybe we have this opportunity to leverage it. So, to what extent should we go ahead and talk about our values and all these finer aspects along with our interest in the company or the role accordingly? So, it'll be great if you can cover that.
Now, cover letters कैसे होते हैं? So, like cover letters are again very specific to the organization you are joining. Okay, this cover letter, for example, if I were to say this is a very formal one, and this is the one most of you will be going to. For people, for interns, especially if you are applying to, say, software companies or finance companies, big fours, CA people, if you're looking for jobs, you need to be a little formal. So, you will start with, this is a little informal, engaging opener has been done. Definitely, I agree, it has to start with an interesting start. So, I'll just also show you one of my cover letters. So but the question that you said, cover letters need to have part of both. So if you see, there are three things include this. First is a nod to the part of the job description. Try to match points with job description. कि job description में मांगा है कि तुम्हारा sales अच्छा करते हो, email campaign करते हो, पहला part वो डाल. Second paragraph should ideally be what can you bring to the workplace. And third paragraph is what you believe in. Let me show you. So when I was an intern and when I was applying, I did not have a lot of things to say. कुछ किया ही नहीं तो क्या बताऊं? तो वहां पे I would rather use my values. कि sir, I am a learner. मैंने खुद से इतना कुछ learn किया है. मैंने lockdown में खुद से I did a course on social media marketing and learned it. I learned a tool called Tableau on my own. And that place, and somebody who's reading an intern's cover letter will also be looking forward to कि अच्छा हाँ बच्चे को सीखना मतलब सिखा तो मैं दूंगा, बस he should have that intent. So when you are an intern and applying, do it for that intent. But if you have job experience, if you have work experience, nobody is interested in कि तुम person कैसा हो. ये एक understood होगा कि if that person is coming from say Goldman Sachs or if that person is coming from Google, उसको values होंगे. मुझे उसके values से क्या करना? उस time पे they would rather want to see the kind of efficiency and work you bring to your workplace. Let me just quickly. Any questions, guys? Tab tak you guys keep on putting up your questions. I'll just show you a cover letter. Tab tak. It's not even 11. Are you guys sleeping? Come on, guys. Energy. This is. ये CV है. CV is like literally your portfolio. It's what you show to everybody in the world. So इसमें तो you need to put in एकदम efforts सबसे ज़्यादा.
Okay, just a small query again. Say there was an application request submitted before lockdown, sometime in early March. Thereafter, the positions freezed in a lot of companies, and then sometime in mid-July or so, they asked some further information. So, in case if I now refined my CV as per the specific job requirements, can I also share the complete package again? Because
of course, taking follow-backs is your it's your entire it's your right to do it. You can take a follow-up because companies का actually वो होना चाहिए. They should, if they've not given you one, please drop them a mail. Ki, hi, I had interviewed on this date with you, and I just wanted a quick update here. And also, I wanted to tell you that right now my update details are this. Completely fine to do that. And पता है यहाँ पे I'll also tell you one thing. I've been on HR for so many years. Don't lose heart अगर reply नहीं आता. HR के पास ना 100 तुम्हें लगता है कि एक resume आया है, उसको ना ऐसे 10,000 आ जाते हैं. There are days when my inbox has got so many. LinkedIn की एक job application में कम से कम ऐसे 2,000 type आ जाते हैं. So understand that HR is not ignoring you particularly. If the HR had a way, he would have replied to all of you too. वो सबको करता कि you have been rejected because of this, you have been rejected. But HR कोई ऊपर से नहीं बताता कि क्यों reject किया क्या. So don't blame the HR. Okay. Can you see my screen? No.
No.
And I'm not saying that my version of the cover letter is the best version or something. It might be a very good version for marketing. It will not work for any other thing. So iska utna mat lo. So there, if you see the title of it, I have put in branding, just a spelling mistake, branding strategist, an offer you can't refuse. So if you know Godfather and all, it's a very famous line. So that's how I started the title, because why I said HR has like 100 mails every day. He will stand out. Your mail title will stand out. Then I start with a little informal introduction. Then I give out my introduction, that what is the purpose, why I have been giving it. Then you start with ticking off their job profile ke things that you saw on their job profile. So their job profile had this entirely written that we want somebody who's good in all this. So put those things. Okay? Then the next paragraph talk about what you do in your current organization and how it is relevant to this job. Okay? Next part, show off. This is for people like me जिनके पास experience नहीं है. जिनके पास experience नहीं है, you have to have something to compensate. And what can you compensate it with it? Do things. So one of the things I did, I made my own calendar कि अगर Harry Potter came to India, how would his social media do it? And then I started sending people over it. And then the final is call to action. Ki, hi, I would love to come over for a cup of coffee and take you through my work and help you tick off all the items of your checklist. This again works with startups. Startups love it. They feel like kitna acha likh diya, behan ne kya kar diya. Corporates mein, please do not use this language. Corporates mein format will be of course same. This line will just not be this informal. It will be last night I was going through I was going through a job description, and I suddenly had an epiphany that this is something that I wanted to do all my life. Everything that I've been doing since a child, since say 10th class, has been building up to become a marketing manager or to become a product manager for your company, and then talk about it. Now, if you don't write it from your heart, if you don't do your research, this will sound very template wise, and that is something you don't want to do. Cover letters are extremely personal. ऐसा cover letter होना चाहिए कि वो तुम्हारे अलावा किसी और का हो ही नहीं. So focus on those. Length वगैरह का, I'll be very honest, there's no specific length to a cover letter. If you Google the ideal length of a cover letter, it will come out to be 1 page. Again, it should not be carried over. 1 page is the length of it. And I'll tell you why 1 pages has perfected. आजकल लोग सब कुछ phone पे खोलते हैं. So phone पे people don't want to scroll. If it's on your 1 page, done. If it opens as a single sheet on your mobile screen, that is your ideal length of a cover letter. Cover letters do not do, the one that I showed you, I did it in the body of my copy. But also you can do is write it into a Word document and then you send ki hi. Please, I have attached my resume and cover letter. Now, why I wrote it on the body? If you are applying for a company which you don't have a referral to, जो तुमने बस देखा है कि hiring कर रहा है, इसको भेज देता हूँ, उसको 200, 300, 400 रोज आ रहे होंगे, वो तुम्हारा attachment individually खोल के नहीं देखेगा, उसको body में ही लिख के दो. But if somebody has specifically asked you, somebody has dropped you, hey bro, drop me your resume, drop me your cover letter, there you can put it into a Microsoft Word and you can put it into a different attachment. The best way to do it is whenever you send a mail, there should be 2 attachments. One should be your name _ cover letter, name _ your resume. Okay? It can sometimes, your genuine overachievements during college can sometimes work against you. Is that true? Yes. So see, a long part of what you put in your resume is common sense. एक तो पहले stop underestimating the intelligence of your HR recruiter. If you are copying it from a site, understand that 10 other people would have copied and they would have received the same format. Canva में करने में और कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, but Canva के formats everybody is doing it. So you do it, अगला format भी उसको वो आता है, वो interested ही नहीं रहेगी. That is why it's always it started from scratch. और ये जो words है ना, team oriented, team focused, goal oriented, do not use these words. They are very old words जो अब मतलब ऐसा कोई देख लेता है ना HR तो ऐसे screenshot लेके अपने group में डालता है, लो एक और team player आ गया. टीम प्लेयर वर्ड तो हटा दो अपने resume से. Come up with words that are more focused on you. And when we've got to be clever, yes, you have to be clever about what you share. So how much? Yes, you have to be very clever about what you share. I won a competition in 8th class about origami writing, about winning origami. I still position it as that I know a lot about intercultural, and I've always been interested in intercultural competitions. So international competitions are my thing. That is how you position it. Be careful, मतलब थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, and that is it. If you put hard work into it, it will show off. How much role does a cover letter play in a job role in the IT sector? Again, depends. If you are applying for those direct LinkedIn easy apply jobs, if you are looking for it, you don't have scope for cover letters. But if you are applying personally, definitely put a cover letter. कवर लेटर इज लाइक क्या, अब मैंने इतनी पीपीटी में मेहनत क्यों करी, कवर लेटर क्यों बनाया है, क्योंकि सामने वाला देखता है नहीं थिंग्स की ओ माय गॉड एवरीबडी जस्ट सेंड मी अ रेज्यूमे, दिस पर्सन पुट इन अ लिटिल बिट मोर एफर्ट एंड रोट अ कवर लेटर. द एचआर विल फील अ सॉफ्टर टुवर्ड्स यू. देखो एचआर के पास तुम्हें जज करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता, बस एक सीवी होता है, बस एक वो होता है, उसको थोड़ी सी भी और इज्जत दे दो. You write something specifically to you send them a thank you mail, you send them things like this, they are very happy. Okay, to keep them HR happy, because the more so what happens is, I'll tell you the cycle, something you people don't know. What happens is when you apply, तुम लोग apply कर देते हो, HR recruiter के पास according to LinkedIn एक algorithm के according पहले supposedly 100 CVs दे देता है. HR goes through them, sees through them, then he sends you a mail or asks you ki, hi guys, please contact me if you are interested. And then if you are particularly nice to them, they will put your CV in front, or they will schedule your call at the best time. And believe me, I've seen this happening in so many organizations, because HR को अपने boss का पता है कि boss का mood कब खराब होगा, कब अच्छा होगा. You be nice to them, they will put you on a better slot, and it works. ठीक है. Yes, FMCG companies though are looking for cover letters like anything. Basically now during COVID times you have to write a cover letter. Cover letters are catching up. अब cover letters are no longer optional. US UK में तो चलो पहले ही नहीं था. If you have ever tried for IELTS and all, तुमको देना ही पड़ेगा. अब cover letters are mandatory. You have to write a cover letter. And now, due to COVID, you can actually put in a little bit of sob story in your COVID. I'm not encouraging it, but you can write, I lost my job and, I could not figure it out and I had to do it, but I'm still passionate and I want to do it. Definitely write it. Okay. How close this is a very good question. How close should my descriptions of skills be in the mentioned in the GD? Should using the same keywords look? Absolutely. They look very desperate if you put a direct copy paste. कि आपने मांगा था MS Excel चाहिए, मैंने MS Excel लिखा है. आपने मांगा था ये you do not do it. How you do it is you weave a story around it. For example, a company said that I want somebody who has managed a team of 10 people. I want somebody who has international relation communication. I want somebody who has big efficiency in this tool. Don't write them directly कि भाई मुझे ये सब आता है. Put it in a different route कि मैंने अपनी पिछली कंपनी में ये सब किया हुआ था, या पिछली कंपनी में मेरे को ये कोर्स करना शुरू किया था मैंने. Put it indirectly. Don't say why है. You need to sell yourself. You don't need to sound desperate. सर आप मुझे ले लो, मेरे को सब आता है, आपने जो लिखा है ना सीवी रेज्यूमे में, मुझे एक एक चीज आती है, आप मुझे चांस तो दो. ये वाला टोन नहीं होना चाहिए. योर टोन शुड बी कि हाय, मतलब आई वाज आल्सो लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब एंड योर कंपनी सीम्ड लाइक द परफेक्ट कंपनी दैट आई कुड वर्क विद. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द लिस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटीज आई हैव एंड ऑल. डोंट बी डेस्परेट. Please, and even in fact cover letters, I'm telling you, HRs वगैरह really laugh when you send something very desperate. I'll just show you one more thing. थोड़ा सा ही बचा है guys, in case you start to feel bored and all, just yawn for a while. It's just going to be 2-4 minutes. And I'll just स्क्रीन दिख रही है नहीं ना?
नहीं.
So this is the typical kind of messages that I send to companies on LinkedIn. So it's a little candid and it will stand out. उसके बाद इतने सारे messages आते हैं ना दिन में, एक different message लिख दिया how much I want to, and it asks me to stop whining and write a cover letter instead. I have, where do I send it? Ask people directly कि भाई मैंने आपके लिए किया हुआ है, I have already got a job for you, I have worked very much in it, I want to show you. कहाँ दिखाऊं मैं आपको? Like I tell people I've benefited, I want to help you, and tell me I want to talk about your company, when can I send you my resume? Just send it and nobody will say no. People will reply to it. I'll also show you one more thing in LinkedIn. When you send people requests, when you send people job requests, no, वो पूरा list में ऐसे ही आ जाता है. Everybody का list comes. एक second यार, ये hang हो गया शायद. Just give me 1 minute. So everybody का comes randomly ऐसा, which is why मैं क्या करती हूँ, या तो मैं ignore करके सबका ignore करती हूँ, ऐसे मैं करती नहीं except most people का. But what you should do is you should always leave a message. You should always leave a customized message कि hi, even it can be very generic. Hi, I just saw your profile, I found it very interesting, I would like to connect. If you are connecting with potential HR recruiters, you write them, hi, I see that you have been posting out recruitment posts. I would like to be notified of the same and hence I am connecting. Please let me know if there are any available job opportunities at your place. Don't be scared to ask. क्या करेगा वो LinkedIn पे? ज़्यादा तो तुम्हें ignore कर देगा वो. उल्टा थोड़ी ना LinkedIn पे तुम्हें लिखेगा how dare you write to me. Try. And believe me, once you start trying, once you start writing messages, people start replying back to you, you will feel more confident about it. So, and this is again an exercise for all of you. I want, you know me, you've seen me. I want all of you to send me a request on LinkedIn, but with a professional message, but with a personal message. Send me a request, and that is how you inculcate a habit. Send a request to Ritika, send a request to do it. Start with a conversation breaker. Hi Ritika, we attended your session. I really liked it. I would like to keep on continuing learning from such sessions. I am connecting. Aise dalo. Which also brings me to the almost end of my presentation. Just give me 1 second. थोड़ा ज्ञान बांटने का मिला है. अच्छा, there's another question. Which format is mostly preferred? PDF.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, PDF is the same I was saying, yeah.
And why PDF? Can you tell me, Purva?
So everybody has different versions of their Word formats, so which might make your formatting errors when someone opens a resume. So a lot of people, when they send me their resumes for proofreading, I just can't relate what they've written because everything is so misaligned. In PDF, that misalignment does not even happen for a 1% chance as an error also. So that's the ideal profile. Also, PDF is very easy to open even on phones versus a Word doc which needs some time access or something to open. So always a PDF is preferred.
Brilliant. And Avi has asked a very nice question. Avi, is it a good idea to put your picture in your CV? If you are attractive, yes. If you have that kind of a broad line, if you have that smile, believe me, sometimes I have seen company ke bhi people, they look at an attractive face and they're like, good looking people always have it easier. You know this. This is not an issue, but it's not a mandatory. Mandatory nahi hai ki tum dalo ki nahi. Somebody's asking for these sites. Yes, we will send everything. After this call, in fact, I will be sending you a lot of things, a lot of resources. Don't worry about that. So yes, a picture in your CV is completely optional. Unless, in fact, I have seen ki India mein abhi tak the trend has not caught on so much because we don't look good on our display pictures. So don't feel pressurized to put your picture. Completely up to you. No mandatory on that. In fact, sometimes I would say not putting it because India mein aajkal bhi log thode slow hai. They take out printouts of the CVs and then they take it out. So wo koi redundant ho jata hai. Don't do it. All these links will send you. Don't worry. So that brings to the end of it. So I hope I could manage to impress you through this end of the session. And काफी सारा resume हो चुका है. Enough of, I guess, अब तुमने resume cover letter भर भर के देख लिया है. which brings me down to the homework part of it. Okay. Now that we've given you a lot of work, I will give you homework. That is how teaching works in India.
Hi Sanchari, if you can have another minute.
Yeah, sure.
The way you said on LinkedIn, start connecting with HRs or something like this for possible opportunities. Say if I have a skip boss, my previous skip boss in some other company, and I am just asking him, sir, do you have some suitable opportunity for me? And he just say, send your resume across. Then again, cover letter needs to be sent specifically to his mail, or in case if he knows you in and out, or maybe pretty closely.
Again, cover letter mandatory. He knows you personally, but he might not be the only one who's taking a decision to hire you. He might have to send it to his senior. He might want to send it to the HR. And I'm telling you why cover letter is so. In fact, I will be honest, cover letter is way more important than your resume. Because resume ultimately LinkedIn पे जिसको तुम easy apply कर रहे हो उसको दिख जाएगा. Cover letter.
XOs as well.
Yes, everywhere. Cover letters are the gold standard now. हमें इतना नया लग रहा है क्योंकि अब आने लग गया है फॉरेन में हमेशा. तुम्हें पता, if you have seen your American shows में बच्चे 11-12 में सिर्फ यही करते हैं, college essay लिख रहे होते हैं. You might have heard the word, let's write a college essay. College essay कुछ नहीं होता. To apply to colleges, you mandatorily need to have a cover letter. And now it's catching on. Cover letter is very important. Much more important than your resume, in fact, I'd say.
Thank you.
And genuinely, for everybody who's attending the call, please practice writing a cover letter. अब आजकल क्योंकि सबको everybody knows कोविड में सबको जॉब चाहिए. There is not one person जो जॉब या तो अपनी टट्टी जॉब ढूंढ के नया नहीं ढूंढ रहा हो या फिर he lost their job and they're looking for it. Everybody wants to look for a job. What demarcates people is a cover letter. And especially, and this is for people who, and I know a lot of people will call me after this, how to find jobs. To find a job in the startup sector, you need to have a cover letter. Nobody will open your mail without a cover letter. And cover letter इतना डरो मत. Cover letter is basically like a pitch. अगर cover letter की जगह HR ने तुमको बस call करके पूछ लिया, bro, why are you eligible? Why are you right for this job? The answer that you will give him or her is the answer that you need to put on the cover letter. So anyways, your homework is to come out of your comfort zone. Lots of people I know come to me every day and say कि job कैसे ढूंढनी है, job कैसे ढूंढनी है. I tell them go on LinkedIn, upload your CV. They do it and then they come back another while and they're like कुछ result नहीं आ रहा, job नहीं मिल रही. Job ऐसे नहीं मिलेगी. You have to work for it. You have to add in a lot of people to your network. You have to send your cover letter. On an average, when I was looking for a job, I would write 6 cover letters every day to company. थोड़ा इधर उधर पुश करके इधर उधर हटा के I would do it, but I would do it. तो लिखो cover letter, shoot करो. If you put out a much attractive cover letter, believe me, things will come out for you. And also a homework, I'm giving you a tangible homework also. What I want you to do today is go and set your LinkedIn profiles. In case तुम्हारा पूरा बना बनाया है, you write a post for In Conversations for these people that I attended the In Conversation seminar and it was really very informational. I was really helped and you tag them. This is coming out. I know most of you might have never put out a status on LinkedIn. They might have never put out anything, but that is what I want you to do. Come out of your comfort zone. Tag us on Instagram, tag Ritika and Apurva on Instagram thank them for organizing such a webinar. Do it on LinkedIn and as a mark of my respect for you guys coming out of your comfort zone, I will personally go through each of your LinkedIn profiles and CVs. So all you need to do is you need to tag Apurva, you need to tag In Conversations in your LinkedIn posts and on your Instagram, thanking them, or just a general post on what you learned or what you did not like. Or our suggestions. We love suggestions. Suggestions is something we love. And Apurva, you can send me a list of all the people who do. I will go through their profiles and CVs and tell them what can be done.